Far Cry 6 is an upcoming first-person shooter game developed by Ubisoft Toronto and published by Ubisoft. It is the sixth main installment of the Far Cry series and expected to be released on February 18, 2021 for Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and Google Stadia. The game is set on Yara, a fictional Caribbean island inspired by Cuba, ruled as a dictatorship by El Presidente Anton Castillo, voiced and modeled after Giancarlo Esposito, who is raising his son Diego, voiced by Anthony Gonzalez, to follow in his rule. The player takes the role of a guerrilla fighter attempting to take back the island for their people. Far Cry 6 is an action-adventure first-person shooter game. Gameplay follows from previous Far Cry games, with players using makeshift weapons, vehicles, and hiring amigos, the new Fangs for Hire system, to topple the tyrannical regime. Far Cry 6 takes place on the fictional Caribbean island of Yara, inspired by Cuba, which is described as the largest Far Cry playground to date and a tropical paradise frozen in time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.